Rains around here, especially when it rains heavy, you can count on the usual spots flooding. Take a look tonight. One of them is South Staples near Agnes, where water got up past the curb at the intersection this evening, causing some drivers to stop before the water, but some risked it and drove right through. And take a look at Leopard at Crosstown a little over an hour ago, another favorite flooding zone here. Several other streets around town like Port and Holly and Airline all are seeing flooding this evening. It's especially dangerous at night, so if you find high water in front of you, turn around and don't drown.